Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how you can change the pitch of the audio. Yes, the pitch. This means the length of the audio is going to be the same, but the pitch is going to be different. As in, you can make the voice of the audio, as in the sound, higher pitch or lower pitch depending on what you want. So we're just going to select this entire audio. Then you want to head over to effects, which is going to be on the top over here. Once you're in effects, you want to go and press on change pitch. Now, once you change pitch, you can change a lot of settings. So if it's from F, you can change it to, let's go C, or we can go, yeah, let's just keep it at C, and then we're just gonna keep it the same. And if you want to see how it's gonna turn out, you can use preview. If you don't like what you're hearing, you can always change it to something like B. Now, yeah, when we change it to B, it sounds kind of worse. So in order to make it a bit more better than what it is, you might want to use high quality stretching. So that's a slower process. So, after all that, let's just press OK. Since it's a high quality, it's doing the thingy. It's gonna take a bit more time than normal, and then if you wanna listen to it, yeah, the pitch is very high. It does hit the ears quite a bit, but yeah. And then if you want, you can just change it back to F. I forgot what it was. Was it C? Anyways, the point is, you can then later on change it, and you can even go further beyond. You can manually change most of the things as well, but I'm not really keen for those, so yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.